Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 141. If we start with this column, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help, so 1, 7, 1, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 covering both of these boxes, so 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. 2 also covering this box, so 1, 5, 9. That means that our 2 has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so 1, 9. 2 here, so 1, 4, 9. 4 here, so 1, 2, 9. Up, we've got the 1 here. And only the 1 here, so 2, 4, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3, 8. 1 and 8 here, so 3, 5. Same thing here, 3, 5. And no help here, so 1, 3, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4, 7. Same here, 1, 4, 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6, 7. But if we look, then the only place our 6 can be in that box is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 3, and no help here, 1, 3, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 1. Up, we've got a 9 here, so we can get rid of that 9. So we're missing 1, 2, and 5. And I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. And the 8 can't be in these boxes or this box, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 covering all 3 of these boxes, so the 1 must be here. That 1 makes this our 9. And 2, 4. So if we look at this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. The 3 can't be here, so this is our 9, 3. Now we can get rid of this 9 and this 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 7. 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 8 here, so 5, 8. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. Let's do some cleanup here. With this 1, we can get rid of this 1. Anything else? With this 8, we can get rid of this 8. So looking at this box now, the only place the 1 can be is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 6, 9. 5 here, 6 here, so 1, 9. 1 here, so 5, 6, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 4, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 4. That 4 makes this our 9, 6. 1 and 4 here makes this our 7. And that 1 makes this our 3, 7. Let's see, and that's 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 8. No help here, 1, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 here, so this is our 8. No help here, 1, 2, 3. And no help here, 1, 2, 3. That 8 makes this our 5, 1, 5. And also this is our 8. And now we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. And that 5 makes this our 9, 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 2. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 2 and this 3 makes this our 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this box now, we're only missing a 9, and that makes this our 4. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.